respectful GFA to announce a new phase in the substantial development of the Ghana football. We are delighted to announce our additional partnership of Tempo Sports as the official match ball of the Ghana Premier League for 3 seasons, starting from the season of 2021 and
this Ahabaya Kang. Or remember Park, another good Papa, and Boy, and the Bamso, Omuba, Omuntia.
It's not the first time we beat Kotoko. Yasha Kotoko 3-1 Ama Kambu Mwapam. Ndekura who said what I said only want to America. And I want to watch it. Huh? And this a minute we say me catch. Who here idea you Akuma. Who my player we say Brian the end who go one see a show. Who allergy. I don't know that's what special Kotoko no team ya Sokoto akọ amana Yankupon. Last week now kan ya. Nyame ye. Challenge what dey nti na show Musa. Nyame na ye nyame inshallah. Referee so kan wo referee. Your referee. Clear penalty wanje. Wanje penalty amamu wanje amaye. Inti wanje yamfa no say 1-1. And say Musa ya shake offside goal. 2-1 against Kim first. Alaji go to be a league no. First for.
Ibrahim Sunday ni wa players we normal players. What's a normal players ana? Normal players.
Club that has lost. I mean, what are you guys trying to do? Let's be fair. Let's be fair with ourselves. I think what you are doing, honestly, I'm not happy with it. And you just have to put a stop to it. If it's a planner, and I say whatever you guys have in that studio, then you guys have to put a stop to it. Honestly, the education of all my public is very, very poor. What is wrong with that? What is wrong with that? Do you know the aircraft that we use? Who told you they were, even me and Mitia, at the age of over 60 years, I did not complain that I was tired. Master, what I'm saying, Master, don't tell me what you are saying. Opa, airline, Boeing 777, is it a small aircraft? It's like Uti Rolls Royce, and somebody is driving a Aquada. Will you compare it? Alaji, I said my air came. And I'm telling you, I'm telling you, sir, to was a large to was and I'm also telling you, education you are giving a large to was a colony and Colombia come the boy, yeah, I come on the boy. Some of your players, some of your footballers, player that complain. I will never tell you the name. I will never tell you the name. I will never tell you the name. Oh, then Messi cannot travel. Alaji, me get the link short. Now, so me get the correct woman say, and Colano comedy one. I'm telling you, you are lying. And then you two are lying. Also, transfer Alaji. Oh, come on, let's tell it. You guys should stop that kind of idiot things here. Thank you very much. You can insult me, I will never insult you. You can insult me, I will never insult you. You can say whatever. Because of the way you people behave, your penny to William, you guys should just give us a break. Okay. The club is getting the street now. No more property above us and disrupt the club. No, why? It's only a come What are you telling me? That's why I said ask them. Did they take us up to even 10 hours to give them their pay? Yeah? Alaji has no. Tell me, not you alone and the we are running the club now. Okay. You cannot jeopardize the club. Nobody will do that. Nobody will do that, Alaji. Nobody will do that. You have a member because Mike, you know what you just want to say everything to the public. That's why I have given you the chance. And I'm telling you what you are telling the public, you are lying. And then you two are lying. I mean, come on, just give us a break. Is that what you were taught? Is that what you were taught? Very. This is how we were taught. Say, young kind of we were taught to be fair. We were taught to be fair. Alaji, take your time. We were taught to be fair. So we are doing the fairness here. You are not being fair. You are not being fair. And then you two, you are not being fair. You are not being fair too, Alaji. Come on, Master, just give us a break, Master. Thank you. What are you telling to them? What are you telling us? Okay, thank you. Alaji Akambi and Odebu for the shares. Fred also overcome the corner. Fred overcome the corner here. What is it? Fred overcome the corner. Yes.
Yentiala, what they call no, watching no, Nkwala no, looking some, as novices were failing. Plan within 7 minutes, I consider 2 goals. Where a plan, Papa? Who could use 3 strikers were failing, so and a way match like this. Had their own share idea, of course, was the first match. First match, Obia, this is only football. Obia will say, it was not a mean game. Oman easy. It was even in the run of play, no goal, no buy. They didn't outplay the Moroccans, even in Ghana here. It's enough to tell you, to strategize yourself in your home and know that when you go there, it's easy. So you have to just play, only one striker and the rest should be defended so that you can hold on to the ball and come and counter attack. It's as simple as that. Now, space in now, within 7 minutes, I shall 2 goals now. And now goes, starting flow. Anka, Richard, goalkeeper, no, Anka, how many goals go now? Now, but a discouraging players, but I hope that they shouldn't discourage. There's still another chance to the confederation now, but they should learn. This is where you go.
Starting from me, Ghana captain, Benadodu. And Yusuf Yaya, Fuseni Idi, Richard Ekwam, or players in our just goalkeeper back on Pen of Ghana be joining. And Mubarak Mohammed, Hamza Mohammed, your coaching or the Richard Stephen Obin, yes, official name. Me assistant captain, Esanko, Utumi joining, but oh yes, when your ticket, or not your friend Francis and Chidakwanka, so joining your friend is Tanzania, but yes, when your ticket. This year, so no, your friend is Enimbre. 1 o'clock Sunday minfane sanapa Monday anapa 1 o'clock adie bechi no na a flight no sana to take no nti no say ye be won bibi at enimanimu and dey say ye ntem na ebia say be fit Tanzania straight na ya bagana na ye be present cabro mama na ye di ebia one day pe na ya return back to take it back akoto aye djuma no so anke be.
I think tomorrow we play against the best team of the group. That good players who are playing in Europe. I saw several videos of Ghana, so it will be a tough game, but we will have our possibilities, and it is on our side to find them. And if we can find them, we can put them in problems. We don't have to be afraid, certainly not. The players have to be confident to start the game of tomorrow, even when it will be tough, and we will see where we end. My team can make the same performance. A little bit better maybe because the opponent of tomorrow is stronger, but that they can make the same performance than Friday with organization, also some good attacks, good organization defensively. So we will need it tomorrow, but again I'm confident, and we will see what he can do.
You ready? For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Go! ɛyɛ Okoman Radio.
All right, I will your phone and up. I am Mobi Akuffo from Okoman 97.1. Monday morning, a brand new week in the month of September. And now, 4th September 2023. And then I'm done here first, and I'm new month, yeah, now 4th. But I quack when him and up a good year, some a coach you call Barima and none of Payaba. Some old drawn on about Timun come on. Now, what him say, and no copiamo and Sonawa Manania stories and I Bubrujawa Manane. And Matissa Manchester United supporters in a soon. You understand, none of that against Arsenal. Enra Amfa Arsenal Etchi Ayo Edmond. Come pa. But man, you found to be a raising concerns. The Uchem referee Jinamo D game no referee Anthony Taylor. The mother man conquer him. Yeah, you better need discusses and 7 England can France, you be Uramna France, the top flight major European leagues and on Comodiaba. The Italian Serie A, the German Bundesliga, the Spanish Premier La Liga Santander, Enra Barca, late winner from Robert Lewandowski. It may secure 3 maximum points. Samson at the English Premiership on come on, you be Uram. Now, ya share deadline transfer no players that me moves in be a bedding come back come you know. Now first ya be fia be die fien come on. If you some draw so papa. Esan say right at Nasian come on woman no Adibaba. Coach Eddie the Black Stars of Ghana. Coach Christopher Hilton. Chris Hilton and Sweatman naming the squad Yawada Yediko game no more. And we had total African Cup of Nations qualifier between the Black Stars of Ghana and our friends from the Central African Republic. Abekoso Kumasi Baba Yara Jawada Chris Hilton and Sono to me in the squad about. Now surprisingly, to me, not surprised. But Ghanaians LBL Kasase Abrantia Andre Rami Morgan Dede Ayu. Dede Yeden was squad in him. Super Obeka and another me catch us say Oya Dede Obeka squad no. Mumpo Mumpo Dede Obeka squad no. And yes, squad number out. Super bet national fans no or the dining in about bonting. And that Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Now we Ghana your Super Cup. The winner of the Ghana Premier League Media Man. And I feel so the winner of Ghana's MTN FA Cup. Dreams FC and the Super Cup at the boy. After 90 minutes now, I am Mediama 2, Dreams FC 1. Now Dreams I didn't couldn't now Abrantia your friend Jonathan Soa. Mamma mia, what a player. Abrantia no Blaster squad no can home. Or no the only local player your friend no. Now another Abrantia senior go be your say no. Obo brace. But the second goal no. Me to too many na me the mania to David Villa. Na me the mania to Felipe Coutinho. That me can one that na say junction or Coutinho the turn right na pa. Well place the ball in the towards them. And no other Abrantia Jonathan Soa of Mediama Edgini Dinye papa or Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Transfer story say Ofian Subaba. Asante Kodoko friendly game and had to folk and Sunio Ko United at the Bueni. Ninjan come on Super Tenacia or the so the Muaman above bar. Etiano Sono. Nasia Cassian come from one expert. I watch your man for Cassie out. Big time. Now media not too far back home. Yanom, meka yanom a won Abidjan Blue no. Ahoma no to fa untina anya isa. One expert ekrai mu. Sansuna Tontina 74. Anopay mabubo bi entina mi yedede ekike ma wode aba. Ama sanu adam kwani nem abedu fia na dwokra. Anopay me sorry ye na ese me bu Tontina 74 ni bi. Eye meal booster. Eno na abo anopay ubet piefia obi akoba de sa me se fia no anopo bi edu obo Tontina ni bi. Ontumi nka Tontina waka ni T74. Obi abu bobi na ese obi akona dwuma so we na Gideon Fana right Fana Kore Fana ese obi anwade wo. Nyina na T74. Afi obanu munsuo. Ensu American for the amount nyina no Verna water. Ene ni nsu a just say ya enra me see me meeting as nyina Verna nkwa o. Enra ekuku da ma michi omuna just say lower menya kobo MP oklitete la bina eton honorable ya monsuo honorable be yin so Verna. Regional chairman the ma NDC ya Mark Oliver Kevo. Enra na chairman so be yin so na say Verna. Hey chairman wani abiesa. Asi ekeja Verna de no an yanom. Enti pop say ye fie say program aso ye party ye obe serving so obe num so a eno ane Verna water. Omukrai mu. But on the 1st of October, Ojra Sunday. Na Ojra da kwasida ni nyina no day. So Ojra no best Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Obrebeba. Na obrewi adu baby say odidi. Na eno Okoman 97.1. Yes, Jina say Ojra kwasida. And Ojra da kwasida on the 1st of October. We Fufu Festival. Said they be a tonight weekend. I'm a catcher say weekend and free food. Weekend inside our home when we had either so we were say party be birthday be nice. What could do free and no nyeska. And so come already at time here we say no just Sunday free food. But I know Jana consider be enjoy Fufu Festival no. Free. Okoman Radio Fufu Festival free on the 1st of October 2023. Yo Jana consider. Oh yeah, shoe fabric in Chemo Power Banner. Yes, Pata kama. I live band ejinam. Artist wom. Nya obanom, nya obedi bibia o. Fufu ni efiri ni yansa baba na kura sanka. Na no da agosi ansa ni shemo say ke me fa sanka ma me de agba na baba. Tam say agosi o say tie no agba so na de baba. Obi ambo na kura no wadi fufu. And on the 1st of October, Fufu Festival, no baba so. Okoman Radio, Yansi Adeba, shoe fabric in Champe. Now, Obeso be just stand, beton, unsu, drink beer, and so be Okoman Radio. Now, she send you to go, come on. Happen to be digwa. Senior, there are no Fufu and Fendia Guru. Kwame, pay Fufu on the 1st. In your enjoy Fufu Festival, no. No. Now take a second come from my team no. Headed by executive producer Mr. Akuffo. Solid man. And allegations are the tell me Gideon into Nana Kofi or Korea Jaman. Then the Fatakabu. Samson the boy, Nana Damia. Damia could do weekend in a vein or by or that's how it's in the theater. Weekend when you with your bed, you want my dear, and I did know you will. And Nana Damia Samson at TWC, the writer, commentator. Western Castle, the local stories neighbor, Ziggy, Donzi, DJ Wedan Sutem, our MCR. And our friends, my able producer extraordinaire, K Brown. Some know about one in the good craft also on a pay riba. Chef, a good football team with ya. Coco Twumhene. Jeff, better has enough in so no Yatenka. Jeff, no, as I should make out. Open Pabwebia, Moon Jeff. And Pabwebia and Pabwa, but that you know, Pabwebia, Jeff. aseɛ no nso ɛno nti na nkyɛn bɛkɔ ama no ne na ɛde ama no ne nsɛm abara ansa na no yɛntwa yɛn ho mmra.
OneXBet jackpot na landio alande na watch bia na chedio. Yenya ni se obetwa wo bet for sports game bia so. Na obetumi dinkunim. Register with onexbet.com.gh. Na use promo code jackpot Ghana. Na twa wo bet. OneXBet ye nkunim die ho safwa. OneXBet who se nkunimdifo. Gambling ho atru ntitwa ne wahwe ye. Enye ma wa wundi mfie duwo. Gaming Commissioner Jinka to we atum.
Tontonte yenum nsane e faadwen ne e faadwen mpa say na nim say brebi beba ama tontina 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esi nananom dodo so say de na dodo bua ma nananom enyare basabasa no saa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo anipadua no e ma immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho denden tontina 74 yi nso yaye no se nsuo krokrowa kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tontina 74 menya hoodin mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoodin ni apomuden ko a wokọ pharmacy ana baby to no bia ubenya tontina 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadie nkratoi atom
Fufuo festival. Jack for how many now to baby na yen copy pono so Okoman Radio 97.1 2023 Akropong-Akuapem Odrano for the first time Okoman Addi Fufuo festival no Addi bro Akuapem nyina ebeye de style bi remember na kai say fufuo no eye free ne ohia eye wankasa wasanka dwumade nyina beba so ewo eye shoe fabric animo a Akropong-Akuapem on the 1st of October 2023 ebra no eye anopa no watwe till you drop Bibiani na pese bia woni mpanyifo twetwe nkomo ana pese to stand na wankata do ton woni ma bia betimi mpanyifo twetwe nkomo ewo 0559012454 0559012454 ana say 0246246875 0246246875 fufuo bramieni fufuo style bia
El Chicharito. Ahí.
Right, young woman, I feel some farmer and come on and fan to join farmer. Monday, I say stories and I toss and Tiba Ram Nafin, so yeah, man, and come on in area pa, ya quite an essay. Can't see one expert Samson at T74. A new booster on Bobina and Wadembra Samson at Verna Water. And so, Crema, you Ram Nafin, someone and come on at me upper Ekenese, baby girls, the weekend, and shut and farm, but in Monday about your baby Ramna, near my con, can't chat some fan for the front of the on so for the weekend. Matches on Dodona, Etimi Echo, so results on saying as if Nantes 1, Marcel 1, Samson and Miami team, start Brest 0, Rene 0. Now, Zagam, player, friend, Lilian Brazia, and said to me, Jerome, upon 90 minutes, and said to me, start Breast Bobo Corintino. Start Breast, you bust a breast. Lilian Brazia, and say, General, central defender, and say, no, on just now, Lilian Brazia, on Western General, start Breast, Tansana, Monaco free, Lens 0, Abdul Salis Summit, Timon, Yaman Chadan Konkan this season, and from Salis and Alfonso Len, a Brantano injury to Antimensia Kai, and I say upon 90 minutes later, it's made my Len Bobo Kono, Tansana Tulu 2, Clermont 2, Met 2, Rams 2, Lille Metropole 1, Montpellier 0, Bobo Canadian have 3, Laurent 0, Nice 2, Strasbourg and Sono 0, Olympique Lyonnais and Sono Etimitina Fie, I'm a Bobo Canadian Paris Saint-Germain, but born by 4 goals to 1. Kylian Mbappé Lutin, Etimipo 2 goals, Marco Asensio and Afensono, a branch friend Achraf Hakimi, and so Etimipo Konobako, and so Etimeka Adama, ya PSG, a branch and Sono the Ernest Apia Nyama, and Sono Etimipo, and I said to me, Shasia, Etimim Adama, a Bobo friend, a Olympique Lyonnais, a branch and Etimipo 71 minutes, Adama Lyon, and Soniaman Kwankan, and Famano, and so the top game no league table of France and Senator Monaco after 4 matches, Ekra 10 points. Samson PSG, Natosmian after 4 matches, Ekra 8 points. Marcel Mianza, Ekra 8 points. Offensive Rams, Etosom, and Air, and also Ekra 7 points. Miami team, Brest, Etosu and Sia, and also 7 points. As I was saying, it's 16 position at Clermont after 4 matches. Ekra 1 point. Lens, Etosu, 17, and also after 4 matches, Ekra 1 point. And offensive Olympique Lyonnais, Etosu 18 position. On why you are so after 4 matches, on also Ekra 1 point. And so now our top scorer chart on the Senate here, Mbappe. That's a branch and by as Nyama Konka after 3 matches, Supena Branton about 5 goals. And so Wissam Peñeda, Monaco, was 4 goals. Mustafa Mohamed, the Egyptian player, and so no Nantes, and also to me at 4 goals. San Commanding in a area by young German Bundesliga. Not young for results, and Fenfro and Fama, with the weekend, matches at Tojan and Okopion Signa, Iduna Park there. That's the Borussia Dortmund, and Mankata, Saman Koye, Dortmund 2, Bobo Kwanin at Eidhem, and Sono 2, Stuttgart 5, Freiburg 0, Augsburg 2, Bochum 2, Wada Prime Fee, Etmash 4 goals to 0, Mainz 5, and Sudan 20, Tiajimafian 3, Wolfsburg 1, Bayern Leverkusen, and so now Bay Arena, Etmache Darmstadt, SN by 5 goals to 1, now Borussia Park, now it's Borussia Mönchengladbach 1, Bayern Munich and Sono 2, Brentford friendly Leroy Sani, and also to me Pogo entering Frankfurt 1, FC Cologne 1, a sad game winner 9 rather, Amanfo boys, Sanka, Kashat Kakrababa, but Frankfurt and Timamaniaman Konkai, Cologne and Sono Kobo 1-1, Berlin 0, RB Leipzig 3, next Leipzig this season, form non Sonom, Papa, Yadisan Commonepa, Javi Simons, Etima Pogo, assign assist, and so Sagan, Yadisan Commonepa, Yankotrem League Tepono, or the German Bundesliga, Bobo Kwani Leverkusen. After 3 matches, Ekra 9 maximum points. Bayern Tosmi, and also after 3 matches, Ekra 9 points. Stuttgart, also about 3 matches, Ekra 6 points. And after Leipzig, and also Etoswanaya, Ekra 6 points. I see I want to say that 16 position. I am Mönchengladbach, and also about 3 matches. 1 point, Mainz 5, 17 position, Ekra 1 point. Now, Darmstadt, about 3 matches, and also any points. Be a goal king chat, Senator, a branch friend is Sally Gurasi, and so now our year Stuttgart was 5 goals, and so now Samson Victor Boniface, and so now Leverkusen has 4 goals, a branch and him, and so now Adia Johan Wayne, and so now Wolfsbecker, what team has 4 goals now, friends, so now Hurricane, Bayern Munich, on so now team about 3 goals, and so now Bundesliga, and Muyan Corner face on Italian Serie A over the weekend on results in Yan Fantuja, and Fama Dia Bobo Kwani, Edisa Solo today, Verona 1. Ukopioma Stadio de Olimpico. Let's say Jose Mourinho ni team AS Roma. Etna firma AC Milan. Number sent by 2 goals to 1. A brand friend Olivier Giroud. And a Fenson Rafael Leao. And a Paul goes to no. Etna Milan Pobocon Udinese 0. Frosinone 0. Bologna 2. Cagliari 1. Samsung Enrata. Napoli. And so Etna Fie. Our Diego Armando Maradona Sports Stadium. Etna Sam. Etna the friend Lazio. And after 90 minutes, now Lazio, I Napoli by 2 goals to 1. Next, Branche friend Luis Alberto, 30 minutes now. Branche Abogona from Zielinski, Abati Cano, and so on. 32nd minutes. The team, Anna of Osima Mayer, boys, he crap Pipasi, and Osima Mayer, Osima and Timania, Amaneno, a Branche friend Kamada. 52nd minute, it's my boss. Second goal, it's my Lazio, Nkunumdiano, and so Cordima, Atlanta 3, Monza 0, Torino 1, Genoa 0, Inter Milan 4, Bobo Quanini Fiorentina 0, a branch friend Marcus Thuram Ebogo, Lautaro Martinez, Ebo 2 goals to Afonso, Hakan Kaunoglu, and sorry by Copiso, it's my Inter Bobo Coneleche 2, Salernitana 0, Samson Empoli. Atina firma Juve, Ebe sent by 2 goals to 0, branch friend Danilo. Apogo, and Afensono, Federico Chiesa, and sorry about Quepiso, and sorry, Juve Timino, League table out Syrianum Senate, Inter, after 3 matches, Ekra 9 points, AC Milan, Atosmiano, and also after 3 matches, Ekra 9 points, na Juve, Atosmian, about 3 matches, 7 points. Lecce and 9 and so on 7 points. San Common Yariepa, I say on the Senate here, 18 position. Jose Mourinho, yes, Roma, after 3 matches, over 1 point. Cagliari, 19 position. And so now 1 point. So Empoli. At also 20th position, and also any points to be a top scorer chat, Lautaro Martinez after 3 matches, a branch and match 5 goals, and so now Inter, Giroud, AC Milan was 4 goals, Victor Osimhen, Napoli was 3, and Afonso, a branch friend Antonio Candreva, and so now Salernitana, and also Etimi asset 2 goals, and so Yanko, the Spanish Premier La Liga Santander, not results in your fan to jump, and so now dear weekend in Nyeze and Nyeze Kura, Cadiz 3, Villarreal 1, Sansona Maria 2, Celta Vigo 3, Real Sociedad 5, Granada 3, Real Madrid 2, Getafe 1, Branche Frano, Aya Boya Mayora, Etime opening goal at my Getafe. Next on the 11th minute, next Atletico Casa, you did 47th minute, now Yosulo, and so to my Baticano, and I feel 95th minute, a Branche Frano, Jude William Bellingham, and so to me Paul winner, it's my Real Madrid, near my Conca, and so my Madrid Bobo Con Alaves 1. Valencia 0, Real Betis 1, Rayo Vallecano 0, Girona 1, Las Palmas 0, Real Mallorca 0, Bilbao Anthony 0, and Barca, Nyama Konka Osasuna 1, Barca 2, Abrantia Nidin Anthony Jules Conte, Apokona Fensono, Robert Lewandowski, Ansono. It's when you win, it's my boss and couldn't be a call. And my boss, Bobo Conlick table Spain Senate here. Bobo Quay friend Real Madrid after 4 matches, Ekra 12 points. And I said, Madrid, no, I feel there's some more come up, but I'm in Shabasa and also I don't know, Girona toss me, and also Ekra 10 points. Barca, also Miansa, Ekra 10 nothing, so Atletico de Madrid, and there, and also a game of Baba, and also Ekra 7 points. I say, I said here, 18 position at Las Palmas, about 4 matches, Ekra 2 points. Almeria, and so 19 position, about 4 matches, Ekra 1 point, nothing, so Sevilla. And so now to 20th position, and also to about 3 matches are only point to be a ne. Sevilla and Atletico Madrid into win a bit my 4 next after 4 matches. Sevilla bet my aswad da see on my and also no top scorer chat. A brand friend Jude William Bellingham, and also Real Madrid was 5 goals. ekura 1 assist. Abrante Kubo and so Real Sociedad 3 goals. Alvaro Morata, Atletico Madrid I said 3 goals. And after William Mose and so Batista. And also I had 3 goals. Mamin Kopiemo out the English Premiership arguably the best league in Europe and also in a war not young for results and from Tuja and from Luton Town 1, West Ham United 2, Sheffield United 2, the toughest Everton 2, Manchester City and so it's hard ultimately Fulham SN by 5 goals to 1. Abrante Freno, Julian Alvarez, Etimi Boko, Nathan Ake, and Alfonso Allen, Bon Haaland, and so goals in the Miensa, hat-trick, and Haaland Sono, Etimi Nachaye, na Sagimi from Goshechiri, Burnley 2, Tottenham, and Sono 5, Sanson, Naneno, Brentford 2, Bournemouth 2, Brighton 3, Newcastle United 1, Liverpool 3, Aston Villa 0, Abrante Freno, Mohamed Salah Bogo, and Alfonso, Zoboslai, and Solid Bakwaka, Martin Cash, that's a press and annual dim, Abrante Netmiapo on goal, and so now Crystal Palace 3, Wolves, and so 2, Abrante Nidini, Edward, Etmabo Gosimiano, and Alfonso Eze, Etonade Bako, account Jordan, Pierre Ayu, Etmabo 90 minutes, and so it's my Crystal Palace in Ghana, Boswanche, Jordan, no, bo week out of Crystal Palace, it's a Black Star, dear, where the Abebona. Mami Pimo Stamford Bridge. I wanna Abidjan Blue no. And so Chelsea will fear. Yes, on Nottingham Forest. Chelsea this season. And Kwano assigning 17 players. Nottingham so no assigning 16 players. I don't know boy after 90 minutes, yes, Chelsea got Ghana, but Sir Nicholas Jackson the demand running someone. Abrante the demand for former Manchester United player. Abrante friend Anthony Langa on the field bench. Now it's 48 minutes. Abrante no so by now pa na tonight Makasa no Chelsea. Anthony Amanfo Chelsea 0. Nottingham Forest and so 1. Akropong Manuada our Emirates Sports Stadium there. Penny Betchem. Now say Esikafo no Arsenal for say no more top players in Zomuzoska. That's Arsenal. It's match Manchester United. United Bobo the Red Devils. And so not to me the point in 27th minute nana Marcus Rashford Bobby Yaresi Juram no lay pass no Rashford to me Kelly Bonnet opening going up by the United for Yanka when 8-2 some of that Yanka say now say United said 28 minutes Martin Odegaard so opportunity to be a pump now Branton Atimati Kanamanako 1-1 they so game with their send I and 1-1 and the 96 minutes Abrante friend Declan Rice na say kwamna bo na say onu so no jamun so no timi yankonya akra Abrante Arsenal for quote 105 million pounds Adamant one shego sana so sibaba 96 minutes Rice about second go na fen so Gabriel Jesus and so timi bom the winner no kra and so timi ma Arsenal chi Manchester United ascended by 3 goals to 1 a league table in Senate here that's after 4 matches say na league table it's Man City or 4 matches now 12 points Tottenham etosmienu okra 10 Tottenham anyado Man City race bi antino anyasem Liverpool 3rd position and so after 4 matches 10 points West Ham United etoso 9 and also 10 points Arsenal and so num after 4 matches 10 points in Brighton 9 points England there me see 7th position, Crystal Palace, 7. Brentford, 8th position, 6. Nottingham Forest, 9th position after 4 matches, 6. Aston Villa, 10th position, 6 points. Manchester United, 11. Now United put at 11 for now. United, about 4 matches, 6 points. Chelsea, about 4 matches, that's also 12th position, 4. Fulham 13th position, 4. Newcastle after 4 matches, at also 14th position, 3. Wolves and 15, and 3 points. Bournemouth and 16th position, 2 points. Sheffield United at also 17th position after 4 matches, 1 point. Everton 18th position and 1 point. Luton Town on about 3 matches, only point to Biana Burnley. As about 3 matches on also any points. Ebia top scorer chart as usual. Ellen Brown Haaland Man City on after 4 matches at matches 6 goals. Samson Abrante Addi and so no ade Ivan Ferguson Brighton was 4 goals Brighton in Mwebo and so no Brentford has 4 goals and after so no Awoni and so no Nottingham and so that I said 3 goals na say me Chelsea ni Man U player bi a say goal kase pa na say didima uncherenya yankuanim enti anonso ano man cherenya player bia wasa da say goals papa bia sa anso na yenwura mu that stories no na yanyane fama no nkomo no anso no emfancy officially UEFA 4 anso to me the data the UEFA Champions League opening matches ni nyina ebetumi atodwa on the 19th of September and then opening matches and so no because on the 19th of September no matches in a Tuesday 19th September and a Tuesday when 4:45 AC Milan and Newcastle because Giuseppe Meazza AC Milan and Newcastle 7:45 as well Young Boys Leipzig final near Celtic number 4 Lazio and so Atletico Madrid on the 19th Paris Saint-Germain PSG and Borussia Dortmund babo Man City and Red Star Belgrade babo Barcelona betina fie na Royal Antwerp Jeff we there for Royal Antwerp 8-0 Shakhtar Donetsk and so FC Porto babo ones that have also na Barca enimagwa ase 20th na Wednesday Galatasaray and Copenhagen about 4:45 Real Madrid Union Berlin 4:45 Seville and Lens babo and also Arsenal and PSV Braga and Napoli Benfica and Salzburg Real Sociedad and Inter Liverpool and Amanfo Bayern Munich and Allianz Arena and Manchester United ababonti Man U Bayern and Man U game 20th September yes I know because so 8 p.m. Ghana time yes 8 p.m. Ghana time next time on start time na bet my results until Wednesday Bayern 20th September yes mono ya me bio dwara no na say bibia kama yes 8 p.m. Ghana time that time na bet my score line Amanfo careful return leg na say yes return leg no because so 3rd and 4th October na so what mean asan so na say tuamu sa na ya de kwa nim the UEFA Champions League and so no emu and then come and so no atoja yari ama yetie for Nsamba kumi na yewura mudia ukopiem abrante friend David De Gea akatia abrante ne abrigusu training kase power ano personal training abrante otobo on fa no kuram ni nyansa abrante still na am so nya poster obeda na Europe so nya close transfer but abrante no free agent ntino obetuma gbawuram club bia mu na fenso akosi akan and so no atimi area mom na nkoma metete ne say Bayern coach friend Thomas Tuchel akasa say abrante friend Joao Pahia unum sa branch from Fulham transfer deadline na Branton beso call Bayern but in krata some and after so Fulham for any replacement in Branton and Timanko Thomas Tuchel akasa say January Branton be target and Bayern Munich and then come and also no Abetojo na Branton Yannick Ferreira Carrasco Branton so to touch it down out Saudi Arabia or call Al Shabab na fenso no akosi akan and so no atimi at the moment Carrasco from Atletico Madrid Branton Ramos Saudi no so akosi akan was signing 3 years contract 15 million euros and then sika and Al Shabab etu aye and so atimi ma Atletico Madrid yede san komo and so no Bernardo Corrigi Branton so and obetimi asha say training and so no atimi at the Nottingham Forest team it's Nottingham Forest players in the bebre Calm Hotspur do mu nyina ho it's anonso anono sika PM 4.5 million and then sika loan deal and also no APM wana Nottingham for and the salary nyina and so no atimi at the man Kyle Walker and command metitisa Branton Barber signing and as I was signing new contract and Man City fair na copy 2026 Branton Kyle Walker ebe jina masi akan and so no ediama Man City boboko no na anwata Gavi etume jina mu etume ma Barca against Sociedad na Branton ye won on the 5th of August 2004 also akura na anwata Branton etume making 100th appearance etume ma Barcelona team Nesta Akwara won 2004 no 100 matches de ma Barca na je se modern bono e wo soro papa panti Gavi and so nyan come and so ano na breaking news ba Sevilla de atuja say Branton friend Sergio Ramos deal and tanko pema na wie ye ɛno nso bɛbɛm ama Ramos nso bɛ return to Ramos Pejuan na afei so akɔsi akan ɛde ma Seville kyɛ no so fi Seville ɔno bɛpie mu ɔyɛ Madrid kɔpie mu PSG ne adeɛ abrante ne nam fie saa ntɛne no abrante ne deɛ Sergio Ramos nso bɛwuram ɛnso no ɛwɔ Seville na afei so akɔsi akan ɛde ma Seville bobo kɔ kyɛ no sɛ nanka Al-Ittihad foɔ no tata ne adeɛ de sika baa nso no ɛntumi amfa ɛnso no ɛwɔ hɔ na Jadon Sancho nkɔmɔ ba yɛsɛ ɛno ada game a United ne Arsenal kɔbɔɛ no na nka Brantɛ ne hwɛ sɛ nka squad no de anya twe kura no nka squad no nkɔtena bench nanso no coach friend Erik ten Hag etumi kɔ bench player no na Brantɛ no nkɔmɔ na ba ne sɛ coach after the game ne bisa coach ade na bench Jadon Sancho so training grounds na Brantɛ no mo de mo kyerɛ nkɔ nkan sɛ ɔte me training wɔ no twɛ training na Rashford mo ane Martial mo yɛ na ase Sancho no ɔyɛ lazy kakra ɛwɔ training grounds ɛka mu na me bench no na coach ne ka sansɛm na no ansekura nwumre na Brantɛ ne Twitter handle atutu bi ɛde ama ɛyɛ Erik ten Hag ɔkyerɛ mu a nsɛm a ten Hag ka no nokura bi ankyerɛ enim ɔse nokura nyɛ sɛ nokura bi ankyerɛ no ɔse nokura nim ɛnyɛ nokura ɔse is completely untrue sɛ coach Erik ten Hag ka say ɔyɛ lazy training grounds na ne mo nkankan ɔse training ɔba okuno na form no wada stretch no wa stretch buno hands na de nyina fa so na so coach ne pa no mpena asam enti sebe kɔ ne sadia January ɔno Jadon Sancho ɔsan be wura mo Borussia Dortmund na Salon no ɔno so retuma kɔbɔ ene ne nkɔma efiru aba yanso no yatimi ede atudwa ede amana enrada na Inter Miami and Los Angeles ede boy ni we no na MLS game ɛkɔ so Inter Miami yatuma che Los Angeles ɛhyɛ by 3-1 Messi make 2 assists when I see celebrities I got check ball no I see more than 100 celebrities and when say Kroma na mo obi concert crowd so celebrity we American celebrities so omo magidi John Legend mu nyina giregiram na I see kem ne concert na akura bi TC Park no so kwakwa Messi atu na onim say Messi official bodyguard I just Messi no kwadun so kura akwa ne di na chi I say asohye baba esan say nipa mo hwe stadium mo be security wa no obi anwa akwara no Messi bodyguard no ya fast no kwachi akwara na ze papa no so je ne sambanti no ne bodyguard no na ze obi akasa na Messi for odinachi no odinadwuma no ye adwuma Messi sifi ba asim ko odinachi ball na kasa Messi ball na kasa bodyguard ni gina park na nche touchline eya na se o protect Messi anti ze no ada abrante no na adwuma ba ye papa je ne samba anso ni ade abad enes nyama apia enu am making debut atumedma Leon enso ho na ta ni video no on wo be fanto so na Facebook fo no nya bintwe entin mu wura mo Facebook a NS Niyama apia ni highlight kakra e wa branch so jibo a twuram na se makunyo so mo dai ya na ayimo Hakimi mu nso kura se abwante no enu abo boy no na say modern boss room on the second most successful dribbler na our game no ojibo na to make 5 successful dribbles and so now na say Niyama konkan and so to ma NS Niyama appearance Facebook for no we say Brantony jinkonya ojibo na so around the world na ye lego va na de na say 10 boys ni ade a wom na Leon coach akasa say yes winning player ochwechem Edema Leon but any nyina for one ana Leon so timi edi enso de show na Bayern form common ye amo say ne no Samikufo untena eno en birthday Saturday no ne ade a na Bayern for to celebrate the legend Samikufo aje say cake kese pa eno amo twam enso no ewa ye Allianz Arena yes somebody celebrate Samikufo say ono ye legend ewa ye Bayern say kroma no nyenchana fo bi anye twe sa enti no Samikufo come back pass back pa yes yatu ya negu so sa ma yenchana recognizing sa Bayern for say Brantony de ono so no legend enso no makache no ada omo so no celebrate no kama pa amani ama ekon kan chamana ne nkomo no ye de besi na afin so no ye twa enwa ba ye ba super wa na ko piem wo Cape Coast mediama any Dreams FC ye asa anti eno so no but yanye aboafo nkra tomra ye ba na afin so no dwumadi aka na ato asa ha Okoman 97.1
Ebusia, who pesa wo kra ne me free brochure e de bagana na. Ene efe ho asem bedom ANS. Wo 20 ana 40 footer container no. Ana eye left hand drive cars ena wo pesa wo tono amanone. Emfa ho ba bi free bia. UK, Europe, USA, China, ana Asia. Se wo de bagana be bia ye de bebrel. Ebi na mposo ene wiemu shemu ntino. Eba na ntem dia, woni how kra. Ye door to door delivery ni nso de. Na wotwe bia ye kra ne me free UK and Europe. Between 3 to 4 weeks na lande. Yembo nso de. Boko sawo. Eba custom nhihye yenso a yetimi ma wa kwantre. Na ebia na wo de. Wo paso kakra bi na wo pen tentem de ayade. 3 to 4 days ne ye de brel. Hihye ANS for akira kwan ne. Wo Europe a wotimi frɛ ye Germany line no ewo +491 737 712 733. Ghana 0249 170 423. Na UK so +44 790 80 27 527. ANS Trading Agency Limited. Yedemu fua.
Tontonte yenum nsane efa adwen ne efa adwen mpa say na nanu nim se bre bi beba ama tonti na 74 opa ye ne simple T74 abeye aduro tonti na 74 ana T74 asa twe ya dwene asina nanom dodo so se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no saa na tonti na 74 ana T74 ebu anipadua no ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abre bia ne ho dendenden tonti na 74 yinso ya ye no se nsuo krokro wa kama enti baby a wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ samene wa ankefi na kroi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74 samennom tonti na 74 menya hoɔden mennom ne da bia T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama saa no T74 ahoɔden ni apomuden ko a wokɔ pharmacy ana baby eto nro bia ubenya tonti na 74 yi bia to T74 yi enye ma oba wa fa afuro ana obi a ɔma nufuo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu eto phone frɛ 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498 FDA agi adwadie nkratoe yi atom
Usika seme nkoyi ana quick credit siasia se sika pe ennafom intina yabasa ye becheche wo yembosia bonchehye ye ho wutumi babosia edifi asia ye fee 1500 Ghana cedis edeko na nia wo hia ne wo national ID card wo hia se wo betu susu wo hia awowa yenjiseke bia nto ho wo nsanso hia se wo ne yembebue futuo bia quick credit ewo homao say ye dwana wo pese wudi ana wo pese wo hye ejuma frase ana say ye school fees ana po eyeye wo sumi ejuma ye fo nso ye wo bi mamo na mom kai say ye mobosua ewo internet so afenso omantic akrobia batan Bank of Ghana nsa wo dwumedie yi mu enti tutumri kana frɛ yen wo 0302 200 390 ana 0596 920 833 quick credit London made simple kai say dwumedie yi nhyehyɛ kakra wo ho.
All right, entino yemedin komo elfi super say bia kama
Zuba nyamya dom me hoye se ozo hoye
o nyamya dom we den se obi abone ata so
ye de radiase Song of Solomon chapter 5 verse 16 Song of Solomon chapter 5 verse 16 tie ba me or say his mouth is most sweet yeah he is altogether lovely. This is my beloved and this is my friend, oh daughters of Jerusalem. Tizuba Song of Solomon chapter 5 verse 16. No.
Bible one never be a Song of Solomon.
On man amepe.
Na Bible no be de bia meka na no meka me do.
Meka na me ya hwehwe. Yeah.
Bible no be wa e cassette ya say Barima no obi akoda. Sunfe ngu form. O se fe gu obi anim. E Bible nim. E Bible nim. E Bible nim. Any Bible nim. E Bible nim. Jeff said that.
It's in the Bible, but you are taking it out of context. The reason why God got angry was not for the fact that Odigu form, but for the fact that he disobeyed God. Saying, yes, because no, because sa fegumuno at that particular time. No, here for something. So enya fegu form no in general, but that particular fegu form no. See, let me my context. Okay, time Moses lead the Israelites to the promised land. First time Nyankopon catch Moses say use your rod to strike the stone. Then su be fima ba. And to the striking stone and then su fima ba. But the second time he told us point it. Your rod at the stone and I still are other boy in Suniba all right but Nyankopon bufui so what he has so there should be some context to say no and you say for the disobedience and the fegumu no one and no and the man Nyankopon ebufu by and say form na odigui because sometimes e hu here say odigui
and sometimes
the go how odiguma semeba so what he has
and the other job for the area about quotation as often preaching that. Makwa sorry, akwa minti bi da say osofo akotisa in scripture no da bia Jeff what be that?
David. Minti wa baby, minti wo be insem da.
But one kind there, I found Zuba.
Nyam back to normal. Bibia dem na ye train say the head coach ebe releasing a squad na ba. Two players na nyomo debut call up for the first time. Yes, omenya call up uni pay ya. Dan no G2 so be gia boaba Blackstar Stefan Ambusho si Evans ni aton sade afre no. Evans ni aton na Jonathan so ya aton sade afre. Yo omno me two players a.
Onimbobo say players ni bebre wa ma no ne.
Loka ye from ba e de oma kotena bench. Hafiz Konkoni ye ton sade frɛ no. The performance of the Ghana Premier League bowie ya akpa ye ton sade frɛ no. Ye de kotena bench.
But I know that Jonathan so
second goal super fair.
Say o deserve call up. More highlights no.
Oh, super highlights no be my yeah, but fair. Yes. Go near fair. Not thing. Wow. And I'm making obenye bia body.
Wanye bia mbokwa wakoje ntianye hwe. Onkoje no mrefi.
Okay, di so be no komo eno no squad na ba Amanfo kan wasem. Amanfo kan wasem unipo shame no Amanfo de da UMZ oni team a yede na account na Amanfo kan wasem gidigidi. Nya fine. So obi on one team bia oni club bia boy and yede na but be hwe ne team komo
catch last week just they didn't there
ede obenya collab yes
no mfanche team
but house of folk man say na mo ka sense ma yedin Kasana Ramos one net so ba akwani bo
this precise about how many matches
so for about 4 matches as 9 goals 4 matches 9 goals no be mo say Nicolas Jackson ya Osterbo preseason na good Onipo and other no day say to answer na be back yenche
Premier League
yes because of Congo
there
of Congo
luwa mo jada ja bo no bo nche nya obvious
Super bond you nimbo Jean Boy kra Evans na has for more
Kasala Ramos
yes one net
Super 4 matches 9
goals one more hat-trick 2 Abo Brace 2 no Ashendra o she go back 4 matches 9 goals. Almost first game no on a technical team ne hwe na Charlie Akoyon said that nyade.
Say ka say anka almost stand na akoko.
Come ne ko and the almost second friendly game. Almost boy pa na kwa ne bo hat-trick na technical teams no. This boy is very good.
Brunino.
Yes, Brunino.
Koopman.
Yes, it's very good. I want to see him more in our friendly games.
And the Facebook for mo Kasala Ramos.
Yes, Renato.
So that's to come pa.
Yes. It's very good. It's very good. And almost our ball second game. No, some more hat-trick. And our coach say yes. I said it. It's very good. No, some ball brace and downward they are. And I say technical team. I said it. I need this boy. Very good striker. And then Robert say go back. Okana say.
Now we don't see a kotoko betuma ball.
Football. It depends on how. For the first time, Obebo a game in Africa, say Obebo the Ghana Premier League. So,
because I had to fall back, could be yon deals and one.
Yes,
that is a boy. I want to go back.
I want to go back, but we no preseason.
Also, Cameroon.
Oh yes, or no.
We fi Congo.
Oh, we fi Congo. And we are by the
junior cab so by I'm about to also answer one go cry.
But only my deba can say.
Auction super boy and so I'm about on so quiet Central Africa.
Super only by your bar trials so. Yes, in straight away about trials. As a folk team, Nagazuba and Komo will one more. I'm a two ready play goalkeeper by a French Jao Winfred. Oba no be ball trials. Technical team this one a very good goalkeeper. And think about 4 goalkeepers. Oh, has of folk. But only power ban one crack and no coffee. But as it stands now, I can't be so be house of folk. But I can't say penny for bear the tickets.
4 goalkeepers on
the day. And the other nama. Yes. And almost one goalkeeper
Benjamin and I
yes.
from Auras.
And also one player bisu from Ivory Coast. Your friend Bamba, striker. Bamba. Latif Bamba. Ozuba Bamba. Sube ankoma na nembra emesi avare. Sube ankomra the film na yasa. Ba kotoko so bu adwuma.
Enu ada omo share 1-0.
Omo share 1-0.
Omo ne info.
Omo ne Future Stars. Sheriff Mohammed dey share go no. So for sure pre-season na 1 2 1 2
quiet.
Yes, omo quiet. And no share who steady kotoko omo be both season. Na so me quiet and very dangerous.
But has so far it is dangerous.
Omo enu so dangerous but has ne kotoko no se kotoko ni yedin kakra na has for no epeso me say oh ya bo pre-season matches ya share 7 ya share 3 2-1 sir. But Prosper no oba no
experience coach.
Experience.
But I used to has coach and so experience coach.
Good band so experience.
So on technical director na Ejuma Pen.
Ejuma Pen. Yes.
One team no masa be share.
Yes. We say we na recommended the man before and oba.
This is a league in bed.
A bed.
League in bed.
Obi asani young players.
Yes, Nations FC so no experienced players almost to touch him. No one mo bass no.
So be fair.
I know thing. Dr. Kwame Chei.
Pese me my year be say hwe teams out do mo basses no. Dear Fepan,
boom bass the into me show. Super, go fe boom bass but to you be nyasem. Boom bass. Super into me show. Team gasi ebu.
Na.
Kuruma. Ko akana gina okwan so am de bo choke. Ka ba ku bia me no fi stadium na. Ana me no ana jo. Me no fi stadium na. E ba to mo okwan so a. Ama joke okwan so a. I don't know. Mo TV ani here. And teams no so doso. And teams no so doso.
Doso yo.
Lagos City so Akala so Akropong so
yes.
You know.
Embo bia din.
Embo bia din one cry no. You know.
So be ankomra.
Yankomra.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want. And EJ can want. Yeti a ration more. Say a day what dog can want. And EJ can.
Woyan fe fisamenti so jimedian so information etie fa no yesto Okoman radio 97.20 kacho ne no so kanche ni ase flights na nye tour ye na be BIS north south east and west ye nya Francia en common so enshada anya fedia gronsam ne doso ni yesafata na dani ding na ya bobo se Pythagoras to uofia na watobo ase aka na ya to so kama na ye jem etse so kato an common so enshada anya fedia grade writer commentator ni eno akopiemu e wo Cape Coast Sports Streamer wo kwa ne din eye Mediama Sporting Club wom any dreams FC eye rentam so na okobiema Ghana Super Cup onim se team a wono eje the Ghana Premier League and also team a wono etimi eje the MTN FA Cup no eno na mpeni bet transe na wo mahwe na wo mo etimi yibako a wo mo eso atu ne din ere Ghana Super Cup after Sandra game no ebanu ye no bo kwa ne din ede Mediama Sporting Club wo mo etimi ehye eye dreams FC e kan mienu a wo mo so etimi atimu bako a Bronson ne din ere Jonathan so wa wono ena etimi enya the 2 goals edema eye Mediama Sporting Club na Bronson ne din ede ejeni boati mensa wono so ede penalty benya one equalizing goal but all the same no wo mo epempim so bia game no etimi anfan for momenti osiano kopiema the champions of champion Ghana Super Cup no team and din ede Mediama Sporting Club ena wo mo so etimi agesi omna so a ye de ehon komanom ede emazinetie for na ohwe the Ghana Super Cup in the year 1996 ena mpeni etimi atrase kama wo mo etimi ede the Ghana Super Cup etimi bae na the first time in the year 1996 no wo mo ede bae no bu kwa ne Daniel Sofok wo mo ene Gapoa ene ede rentam so yes okay ba Gapoa yes obeka na sente mo kopie mu ewo Africa wo mo dominate papa so far ye ka teams a wo mo agiom na ewo Africa ontumi nka na onyi Gapoa emfemfi mu okopie ma West Africa club championship 1997 yes omutumi abokwa jom mu omjom na in common so enshada nye Fidagrantia Sofok and the first first edition of the Ghana Super Cup no womo etimi ani rentam so House of Folk etimi show by a long go to ni womo etimi similar braka na Okopiem 1998 House of Folk womo ene krobia Kumasi Asantrako area rentam so womo echekotoko ebomo economy no a womo so etimi atimu baako which is in the year 1998 so ena 2011 Nanya FC womo ene brekum Chelsea area rentam so 1-1 after penalty shootout ena Nanya etimi win 4-3 on penalties krobia Kumasi Asantrako womo etimi abaye yes womo ene Yankonkwa New Edubiasi United area rentam so 2012 koroko echomo bomo ekamienu a womo so etimi ensimo da braka 2013 krobia Kumasi Asantrako womo ene Mediama Sporting Club area rentam so womo echomo bomo ekamyensa womo so etimi ensimo da braka na Okopiem 2014 ena enren esen womo 2016 Mediama ebechi Ashgood ebomo ekaba ko a womo so etimi ensimo da braka 2017 Wow Stars ene Bechem United Wow Stars eshe Bechem United si anu piema ye change your din ay Legon Cities Samson Ediana Stars eche Krobia Kumasi Asantrako ebomo eye kaba ko a womo etimi ensimo braka which is 2018 2021 yes na aye yaza yanye ya nti yaza na ye yaza 2022 na has ene kotoko na nkaso omo nanso eno so omo ede konkon ho a enyam endra ena Kopiema yes the second eye Super Cup no esum eto dwa Mediama Sporting Club esu etimi ni by 2-1 en common so Enshada enye free agro onim say China the Ghana Premier League no air kama na onim say teams out on start eye pre-season Krobia Kumasi Asantrako Kwandra womo any Future Stars FC area in terms of Kumasi Sharif Mohammed enya the only goal erma Krobia Kumasi Asantrako na Okopiem House of Folk womo any Oko United yes Oko United any area in terms of Bronson team ere Saidu Shot enya the first goal Abronte Kashara Ramos won it yes the Congolese striker for bi obi e kan wasem ene won it yenya udeni oyeboy na yenya udeni omso mu hu ni subi da. Hey, house players are be strike on so da because Abrante ball born and one temper and command so answer than you for the Abrante no about 4 matches 8 matches and 9 goals. Yeah, so it really tells us yes Abrante performance no a very superb. Never to me confirm me area ma genetier for say nyamia toma House of Folk and ne womu ebo market team the few pobi mine Akropong-Akuapem Akuffo dia womo so womo start away pre-season one more womo ehwese bia so no betumi kama na Akuffo dia no makona just 5 days eno mudi from Monday to Friday Saturday omebo market team piem ewo Accra na nyame atoma Sunday latest yati and so one any Nations FC House of Folk any Nations FC eno a friendly game and a womo ediabra in terms 20 which means Nations FC on himself nyame atoma first game or the Ghana Premier League womo any Dreams FC and yomo episode may be possible na wombe tasty eya crash soya no na omu tumi hu hawa eya Accra dey India to no bo matches a Asia 20 Nations FC eba be piem on crash say nyame adoma kwesiada womo any House of Folk any area in terms so a yeti ehon common ni anom e de emergen etiefo no be a train say the head coach edma the senior national soccer team the Black Stars of Ghana opinion Daniel resort in betimi in the mini squad for the upcoming 2023 Africa Cup of Nations qualification game final run yes group E one more any on mine in Central Africa Republic Edinburgh in terms so yeni says 7 September ewo Kumasi Barboya Sports Stadium Ghana you already kind ewo 9 points on mine in Angola Womo etosuminu ewo 8 points Central Africa Republic yedi o marin tam so no womo ewo 7 points Madagascar wamebo brebia ewo 2 points one monti nyame atom na Central Africa Republic ebe se ya woma benya 10 na Ghana atiaba now Angola se Madagascar which means omu mienu be kwa na Ghana ya befie na aye yasa na Okopiem anu ne opinion Dini Consulting squad wadi ya bay no Amanfo brebre astarte kan wasem Abronte ne Dini Lawrence Atizigi goalkeeper Abdo Manafno Din goalkeeper Salso and Richard Ofori so 3 goalkeepers Lawrence Atizigi Abdo Manafno Din Salso and Richard Ofori no be baby say Jojo Walakot Adenwamba yade ne komo ebeba defenders no ni Alido Saido Kingsley Shendler Stefan Ambrosius Joseph Aido Alessandra Jiku Nicholas Opoku Abdo Baba Rahman one player for bi obi eka no asem no waba back into the national team squad no waba Gideon Mensah and way any defenders midfielders no ni Abdo Samet Salius Baba Edrisu on swap back to the squad Edmond Ato Andrea Morgan Ayu Elisha Owusu, Kudus Mohammed, Ranford Yeboah, strikers Nini, Inaki Williams, Antoine Salom Semenyo, Jordan Ayu, Abranton Edini Ernest Apianyama, Osman Bukari, Jonathan Sowa, and Abranton Edin, Eddie Aye, Joseph Pentuntuwe, Eddie 25-man squad opinion Edini Chrysotin, Eddie Abanamafu Bebisase, Abranton Edini Thomas Telpatin, Kamalti Sulemana, Salso and Akopima Jojo Walakot, one more anchor squad no, Edemonia Triban Penifone Ebisam say, these players are Amanfo Bebreches. Oh, we a last gamer, Dama be a Ghana, you have victory, no, you to me, Rinia, you bet me a qualify Kokopim our Ivory Coast, Yami Altoma next year, Edemum and Akopima Black Stars, Team Daughter, opinion Dean at the Mr. Prince Aren Comarca Seje, Abranton Edini Thomas Telpate, or no attribute Arsenal phone pin for Bisansana so far. Abranton Edini Thomas Telpate, Denesi, Papania Betu Jase, 31st of August, Abrantiano epic injury. Our Arsenal training grounds here, Abrantiano, Occupied doctors from the Betu Jase, almost about some weeks down, 2 weeks no him, say 1 week or 2 weeks no, I didn't pay for any better. Daniel Mate after so signing the contract. Edema Besiktas no Abrantiano Koya no so kupra kama and team 4 patches or no so epra kama power or also August 27th and Abrantiano picky injury. Majid Ashmerum or no so August 3 or picky injury. Abrantiano Jojo Walakot August and picky injury. So which means a Black Star player so August Draro day August na it seems like Omnia picky injury. Ultra Abrantiano Thomas Telpate, Daniel Mate, Majid Ashmero, Jojo Walakot, Kamal D. Sulemana, Mohamed Salisu, Benjamin Tete, Womnia, a Prantia, and Amanfo, Intimiaton Sanfan from Wa, Yetropia, Okoman, and the Amazonite for two players in Ya, Womniano, Omoba Blasters, Umbenyon Betimia started Thomas Mate, or started Daniel Mate, or started Majid Ashmero. Obefi Ben Reba Ababoka Kra Jojo Walakot since yako waka baya nensano eye kakri omeda go post menti when you come cribs yam ewe ba yede an common no e de emergency for Okoman Radio 97.1 na suba Abranton din e de Jonathan Sowa no na me hwa de kakra de fa Abranton no suba Abranton dey superb last season about 20 games per as 12 goals Mediama Sporting Club. One start crowd. Season 1 your man said and start you. 20 matches, 12 goals. And now Osha is here about Champions League. And now Champions of Champion. We bought 2 matches. I said 3 goals.
Jonathan
Sowa. And so which means a super Abranton very good.
I said first round pick.
Abobako passa.
Season ya be first round in the pit.
Now why you call
and yeah, almost we can't throw first round
the pit. So I don't come cry ebeba ye di emergency for na Sabin came here Kebra say no na bia came no okay the producer say no and come on na suba happy birthday and come Veronica Anakwa yes Veronica Anakwa. Happy birthday and come on. It says Rade.
We should be happy birthday.
Oh, so now be a me yard now. Oh yeah. So happy birthday and come Veronica. Anakwa the Rade dia fibako e dia kan fi so. Ze Rade ma kwatente na yin beye mame pa membe kekele keniki kiskoki wey. If DJ Ojo I see your fuck ya so every show happy birthday to you. So say
you know so
so nyaso say e ade e da ho enye so say oba be ware ankaza yes ono na ye yi asa
oba be chia ya ade chia so ware oba afoforo
Zuba Suba ene ye akwa PRO de ma Besiktas FC ma Branson Edini Eric Odame. Yes Eric Odame. Ono na okopie ma Felix Anan fan club. Ono na oyisa CEO ewo nti Erigo ene rade dia fe ba ko dia kan feel. Yes so say adwene nyansa rade de ma Solomon yes rade ndumbi na de India atno unim die no onfan boa clubs out na bibia so entumi kama ze Felix Anan as an $1 so as an $1 yes uri bazo ko yi Clean sheet. Fellas and
Ah,
I.
nti ọbẹji goalless ni mo.
Oh yeah.
So
Yes.
nhyia Messi yẹn no. Nhyia Messi.
Obi nti super eno no nkrofo ya kom asem na omo gate ya be ye ne nandam sa no isi ano
we ne de yan
nkrofo yi o so omo hu omo jesu omo yi so yi
Jamaica
da bi ko kotoko yi isi aba kotoko awake it so fair
green and
yellow ayesa asante man color you know very fair
Jamaica for colors.
Oh super.
So in the history of Asante.
Di so ba no ne nkomo akra ba na mama house we has 4 person mo sanya second player e friend no Jimano Amankwa na Abrante Zuba bo ni bono bono Organa ye asekem onimbo no Organa ha no yes also na Abrante ne din Isaac Frimpong onu so fifi asekem ti o hwa this season has assigned 3 players from asekem 2 ba be kana ba be 5 3 normal sign ye Kakari Amponsah and we play Ivan Sadomako. Yes, 3 players 2 ba be count no Adomako ni akotokofo player no da we ofia asekem yes
so Adomako no o me find FIFA Rangers
yes and yes adi Tuba and then come akra ba yemso betena se ababa yes nsem na bibia so tu akọ kabidino the writer commentator mamichi akosu of akosi ansa no bruta is akosi ya yadano jadano yes akosi na menchia mamale den mamale nanalen bruta so ena hana bi gifty bruta super oni me queen mimbo ni di ono so bruta ti mamichi akosi na ne workers ni obia na obi o monitor so from afar bia no obi bruta panti eke etiaso.
All right, I know the writer commentator there no mamichi amase yes obapes cuisine madam nyamiche arope michia baba me ade bia arope michia ma uchia wase so wase ne baba na aware what dan say me si michia amase nti I don't know ye ba we din komo ofi Okoman 97.1 ba me cast over journey live on Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 okwa no like page na watch comment no fe go on abrepem making kind ama YouTube so no Okoman Radio 97.1 pen abeya for Kwame Sedega yes ono ko ya che nei aba ko shema aba Samson Jeff and so Jeff Akuffo Boateng yes ono shoemaker antino pa bo bia we ya si Jeff quality shoes no din wa no unje quality men Jeff quality shoes wan Jeff nsabeka Jeff so wa mama Jeff akwa Jeff say bibia fine.
Yeah, nyame adom bibia fine.
Okay, we can do din here.
Say yetin kwem nkwa de yedin here.
Fine. Zinia, say bibia come on.
Nkwa na necessary. Nkwa nka nya accessories. Bibia fine.
Yeah, come on. Okwa na ache.
Ma, amre dan ya. Esa dan ho kakra. Wo so bia no so che ogware ana kire se.
Ezo bia che ogware wo fa won adun.
Me kwa maba.
Okay, yeah, mama chance for you share the top flight major European leagues over the weekend matches also from Spain to England, Italy, France and Germany matches also and minister transfer deadline when you akwenya and come on them but then akwenya mama be 12 minutes.
Oh, 12 minutes crowd here. Okay,
10 minutes.
I think say the leagues, they've started on a good note. Anopena me resero mi nua ba kon we me say okudi nkrata sembi na nkrata na twafa de ni so na okudi nkrata sembi na nkrata na twafa de ni so na mesro na so we share English league ni see ya utumi say Manchester City will lose form here kra former Pep Guardiola and any team what they ended last season, and one what they are picking up this season. There were some teams being so now who were not will need traditional top 6 anymore. But last season, what pairs were better one bobre papa and it is still what's worried. We share the likes of West Ham, we share the likes of Brighton. Even with the likes of Aston Villa money, I didn't say last season they showed very, very good signs. League in Wabeyadi and they have continued with the form. this season, or watch a league table needs to see how West Ham say what a fourth position, and that they've included somebody with the likes of young star boy Kudus Mohammed, who is going to further improve the team. I mean, I can't wait to watch Kudus Mohammed play for West Ham. Into so watch senior West Ham Fono Wangania Suja, watch senior Brighton Funania Suja. Top 4 no this year a bed in pan. Say we any of the traditional teams now one modern bono and him from the beginning now Obekechi. Typical example being Abidjan Blue for and a Banchi Red.
Man United.
Abidjan Blue and a Banchi Red. Osha wants to see Osha baby our league position no so now. So one shiny be diama won this season because meno Osha the likes of Man City, Osha Tottenham, Osha Arsenal, Osha Brighton, Osha West Ham. When Tegika will beat me for me top 6, which means they will be falling outside the European qualification positions. So we share English Premiership now. This season looking very, very, very exciting. I mean, say even with the likes of Newcastle and Aston Villa, they are going to pick form.
Because Newcastle surprisingly as a Newcastle start
but they will pick up. I promise you they will pick up. In 3, 4, 5 weeks time, Newcastle will be in a different position on the league table. Meaning sort of how they be but you can see from here say barring any injuries, Manchester City will be they are still looking like clear favorites. Retaining league champions, but anything can happen during the league. Say you done the Spanish La Liga. As a Barcelona fan, I made them in fancy. We a sports mandate and say which team out, but we will be any himself more Barca. So we share senior and Kelsey start just how started. We share last season, even though you win the league, and we also won as the best defensive team of the season. But I say we share this season already, conceded 4 goals to the Dow. Which is in 4 matches, which means on the average, every match be a conceded back. Looking at how proficient now in defense in the year last season, which means as a year falling behind Kakra. But I hope you be and get better with the introduction of the likes of Joao Cancelo. Be a defense in the baby fear because what they said you Roberto to right back they are now himself will be leaky goals what share the most surprising thing for me in the La Liga this season is Jude Bellingham. Abrantino Obon Homoding papa. So we share goal scoring chart in the crowd on no leady. Time or recall Real Madrid and Akropong be breaker who na boy we are a hype na and yeshi no beba but so far no 4 matches we have 5 goals with an assist. That's very commendable for a central midfield player. I think Sanka, even if that was his tally for the entire season, commendable. Now in just 4 matches, so continue with this round of form. By next year, Ballon d'Or me sure say nidin be mu baby. So I hope say even though Obo Madrid me they say black boys Obo na one bobo request him say manage. And our coach Jesse Brimpong so. And watch no the Diego. So I say no. So Okoman Madrid because of Zinedine Zidane. International number 5 jersey na it is any watch Maradona jersey. And I'm say me who so peso gu jersey animas. Inti already swedjuma. Coming to my team Barcelona again. I say his senior goal scorer Robert Lewandowski. I say even second half of last season. This season, sheda ne bobre ne papa. Aso jinema so nyine mu be no akra penalty bi na or the 2 mo. And but I'm excited about a player like Lamine Yamal. I mean, 16-year-old boy which won't be school so school. Now so me sure say be man ko school ni dey so jai. Because adwuma oye na hu hia. We share ball like Lamine Yamal ball within the last 3 games ye 16 years and na ye mosa me kai kwa me said na na kwa me mbosa so ati ase enti no ye hope say will be managing the and then they wouldn't let him play too many games. They say now we're Pedri, and then it's going to result in consistent injuries along the line. But one very surprising thing and so about La Liga, I don't know what is going on. I don't know what's going on AS Sevilla. The Ramos Sanchez Pijuan. I don't know what is going on over there. But in 3 matches, they've lost all the 3 matches, and then they are up against Atletico Madrid, who are in tip-top form this opening season. Say if their run of form is anything to go by, say another loss on one side which will keep them at the bottom of the La Liga. Current Europa League champions. We must say yes, I am because
they won the Europa League, and also facing Man City in the Super Cup.
So I say, say Dan Nikwashe League 1 now. Minim say because of the absence of the front three, MSN, Intina Paris Saint-Germain as a league table no na walk on to main Kobe. But I say with the reintroduction of Kylian Mbappé Luton as a one started picking form across our branch, and within the last 2-3 matches, we have 5 goals. Say obey me a carry team now with players like Marco Asensio, to say Hakimi Ebo a more advanced role, even though he's still at right back. Say obey me overtake Monaco. The existence of Paris Saint-Germain and I'm sure say Monaco within the last 4-5 years and league because they've also been a very consistent team. The one surprising thing Ligue 1 and Lyon, because Olympique Lyon and your team say what league one league move by now. For me, in the Bundesliga,
But Jeff, on the another in the League look at Len. Len last season, he was second on the league table. And qualified to the Champions League. And look at his position this season on the league table.
So a team like Arcelon say maybe for one season wonder teams, So there are certain times that all the stars align for you. I had to say Barcelona era between 2004 up to like 2015. All the stars align. Let me say, when you have some caliber of players, when you have caliber of coach, be not somebody more chef, no, be they are all prepared. Like be at me to at a particular time for you, I've been making sure say born for me, I feel that was what happened last season. And it could also be said to say, one of my own focus in ABA Champions League. It is lacking in the league. Say we're prepared, we'll be will be their efforts in the league, and share and show Europa, they will be able to advance out of the group stage. No money to me psychologically it be affecting one gameplay in the league. Into it make a Emma one league play lake kakra. Into I don't know, maybe after 1-2 matches in the Champions League, you would see say maybe I will better prioritize it. Now one focus best, then you see them lifting in the league.
Okay.
For me, Bundesliga, let me team to watch this season. Union Berlin. Me Felicien ya wanga perform ne pa wori die go ne papa. Be me say no. RB Leipzig chere won bobre kakra say wanga ba league ni ma che kakra. But Union Berlin for year fan say yibi kakra bi na aba. And we are hoping say next match Yebe Jina announce yes, Yebe Jina announce. You say Fulkrug or Wolfsburg or try say or be but Yebe Suni Nang na ya today and Bobre papa. The surprising loss was Serie A over the weekend was Lazio and Napoli. And me feel say looking at Napoli current run of form no nanka what they be what Lazio any simple cra but Lazio for Chire on Bobre. Watch one Bobre pa. Now She eja Mourinho baby or bottom wo
Roma
Roma baby or bottom now.
Yeah, some more.
Yeah, so film kakra because me want now for be a what staunch Jose Mourinho fans. One to say Mourinho di now bo coach be heading to Asokura one obekun. And then no branch bit say Makojo no money Heliajiman money Mickey Jam mo. Say mutie mi say mo hwe me a. Say ne boys shia o FFF say mo be kire nsem mu kakra because senior Mourinho 3 matches 1 points and 18th position a day. I know you're heading. But this is what I love about the Serie A over the last few seasons since the Juventus hegemony was broken. Which say every year be a team be a restructure year. Another team to me, but that's so a winning league. You know, Emma League they are more exciting. I think say maybe because of the language barrier, Nintendo you pay too much attention. But within the last 3-4 seasons, you know, the Serie A has been very exciting. So what you see Otumun say it is going to be a fight between Inter Milan and AC Milan. The Derby della Madonnina I know be show. I can't wait to watch that. And you know, so what purely football wise, you know, a league now started very excitingly across the major leagues in Europe. But in Krata Semno say fully surprises some boys ni bima and anope ni bi soon boys ni
one expert
boys ni no say one expert and say one expert do be any say one expert na na so no boys ni person wo ya usiti
because one expert na mo ni na so wa ko su aska bibra ko to kakra to je odds no do osoro
na mo ni nam bet atian bet no mo ni akutu bet no mo ni
one expert first deposit 100% bonus
could be bet no mo ni could be bet no mo ni ade na fi ye hu ni e ko wo ho na mo ho kyere mo na de mra one expert na one expert no so share odds na odds no v
because
ye cry ye nkrata sem cry ye nim say one expert
Saturday Everton Sheffield United Tiana Jones we no Sheffield do
Enra say on say me wo hu I am download the app no and then I just check like me share keke and na you only say na man you match and me na ho predict see Arsenal be winning match 3-1 and I me share senior nkrata na towe and anka me the 200 Ghana be to see
because on one expert you know say Arsenal among all the odds you know one expert on and odds no osoro you know we junk out them correct score 3-1
Swatias intinka correct score 3-1 pa de
go them
anka Udrano
baby girls
anka mi J super break anim ho nyina na my my part
all right it's you know I know Jeff Akuffo football team Europe Zinia na yenche amanane insan kakra
okay, I think it's been exciting. If you're sending a game scenario, it's been exciting. Teams know baby okay come on home. If you don't take advantage of uncertainty of other teams. If your team is to say Chelsea or struggle. And I predict as a Chelsea best struggle. Who say when Tuchel left Chelsea, how many Graham Potter by? And third ball a lot of mistakes. Official football is just a matter of getting players. Into player bia no baba kwan bia na wato. Into Otoya Beguma.
I have this opinion. Me boys they bia want to make. Me say football has become a giant money laundering scheme. Because some of the players prices are what it does not make sense. Now if you pay £105 million for Declan Rice, and it can anything Zidane is
no, Jeff. The thing is that the smaller teams are being smart. Because they see said they are not winning. They are not winning to make money. Like City, Chelsea City from winning the Champions League. So if I'm not winning to make money, I'll groom players. Teams like Benfica, they are not interested in whatever. Because no matter whatever you do, the big teams will come for their players. So they pick the underdogs, put price tag on them. After 2-3 years, the big boys will come. Everybody is tapping into that philosophy and they are making money. Brighton, Moise Caicedo. How on earth? Now Liverpool, the £110 million, they rejected. 115.
I
If
mean,
a player like Moise, you know, so what the Ro Ferdinand also say net and water now, over 100 million because even as of 2005
he was the most expensive
30
British
million
transfer,
pounds,
yes,
and
at
30
that
million
time.
pounds and Necrano is not a small money that you can talk about.
I remember Robinho
Because-
moving from is it
Madrid
to
Man City.
Yeah.
So
it was a
also
little over 30 million.
Yes,
And it was the
and
most
yes.
expensive.
As of that
signing,
time.
yes, as at that time.
You know,
and the Carroll 30
yes, for
million
30,
back
yeah,
from
Newcastle to
Liverpool.
Liverpool. So it tells you, say,
It was-
you know, around that time, no, they say the smaller teams are just capitalizing on that. They want to make money.
Yes. And as you said, Benfica last season, Enzo Fernandez to Chelsea.
Yes. Yeah.
Over 100 million.
Yes. Yeah.
That same season, also Darwin Núñez.
Yes.
From Benfica to
Yes.
Liverpool.
Yes.
Over 100 million.
Over 100 million,
Now
yes.
this season, Goncalo Ramos.
Yes.
To PSG.
Yes.
It's in our 90 million.
Yes.
It's in Austria. Within 1 year, no.
They've made about 300
Yes.
million.
He doesn't need to win Champions League to get money. He doesn't need to. You are making money from there.
And what teams like Ajax and Borussia Dortmund. I mean, in the last decade, they have benefited extremely
Yes.
with this style of
Yes.
management, American, because they have sold players for huge prices. Even in the last 2-3 years, Jude Bellingham and Jadon Sancho and all those players. Wanga players be the
Okay, on a more serious note, I envisage Chelsea's problem. Until Pochettino when he started clearing out, I was very happy because the players were too many. Or clear out. No, it's also a different agenda. Or clear out partner starting.
Clearing out, no.
Okay.
Or clear.
No, he's
the
so
most experienced players.
Are you? With the
Matteo. Yeah, in N'Golo Kante we understand injuries into no Kwame Pro.
Yeah.
Or Matteo Kovacic.
Yeah.
In your midfield. Where Jan Maneko.
Yeah.
N'Golo Kante, Jorginho, Echo.
Yeah.
A lot of your midfielders, Echo.
Yeah.
Now, Akuffo, yes, Enzo Ewoho, Moise Caicedo, Conor Gallagher. These are players that obviously the average players.
Okay, that is not even the problem. Once every coach has a certain philosophy that he builds, and normally, coaches prefer players are actually with team. They are the problem causes. The coach be a new coach be about not steady terrain now. Keeping players natural about you on 1-1. The same thing happened to Guardiola when he went to Barca. Or you Deco, or you Ronaldinho, or you out or Claire so that you can have a full control of everything. That one has no problem. But the players do at Chelsea has signed. How many players will play in a given match? For centre backs, Chelsea was 6 centre backs. Fofana, Thiago Silva, Bediashiri, Disasi. Chaloba. There is another one, I've forgotten the name. 6 centre backs. You ever saw what 3 backs? 3 will play at a given time. She holding midfielders. Enzo. Akuffo Moise Caicedo. What's Akuffo Romeo Lavia. You get it? How many are playing at a given time? 4 offensive midfielders. She wingers. You get it? It's at the end of the day. And these are players we are buying with huge money who will play. And the same thing is happening to Arsenal. Arsenal supporters say criticize Kai Havertz, but you say you can't bench him. Won't you go to player 70 something now and find a man maintenance? No, you get it. Inti with the value they are buying the players, it makes it difficult for the manager to manage them. Until now, they say, "Oh, pushy Enzo core offensive, but behind attackers." But naturally, that is not his position.
Yeah,
until Chelsea will struggle until maybe a few international break, no more 2-3 matches. No,
Cole Palmer and Swaba for Man City.
Where? Oh, in Kunku, where? You understand? It becomes very difficult. Mudrik, it becomes very difficult to manage all these players. And yes, you always struggle.
But what their supporters are saying is a future, long-term project.
If they are talking about a long-term project, I think Pochettino is the wrong person for the project. For me, Pochettino Nankasa on your coach, I'm trusting. I mean, we've seen his track record with the likes of Spurs, even going back to PSG, with the caliber of players that he had and what he did.
I don't think so. Bekache will say the days at Southampton, he had these average players. Mani,
he did well.
But
the thing is, the thing is that who say senior BBM you grade A, grade B, grade C, you know. Coaches in also grade 2. So what I say, there are certain coaches that excel when you put them within certain settings. So what I say, because when you get the likes of Neymar, Human Song, Hurricane, you are not just only managing the players, you are managing egos as well.
Yeah.
So if you are not a coach who was strong character to be able to work around these players, at a time, you will struggle. You will struggle managing players like that.
Okay.
So what else would be to say, Brendan Rodgers? I mean, look at what he did with Leicester City. Look at what he did in Leicester City. If you have the likes of Claudio Ranieri, so what I say, look at the caliber of Chelsea team and now Okita. But then who pushing it to Chelsea with the caliber of players are senior man Jose Mourinho Befire. Maybe it would have been a very different outcome. Okay. And for me, I think for the kind of projects that Chelsea wants to do, for me, I think Pochettino is a wrong fit. They would have been better off with a coach like Tuchel. For me personally.
But someone, yeah.
So okay, it's just like I was saying, you are building a team for the future. Wonderful. You don't need so many players like that. Anka Otomo is I see the Odinabeka Enzo. Then the few Gallagher normally you keep them. So what is it?
Gallagher Anka Yamenko
Oko. Banga Gallagher Koya and Kebebuamu. Because you see, the English press will put pressure on you to put certain players in. You get it? You as a coach, you also want to get results. So you want players you want to play. It becomes very difficult to manage all these problems against the price tag you bought them with. No money yet, very difficult. Pochettino has a very big headache to clear. A very big headache. Very big headache. Fortunately for him, the players need being fit. So when you know fit, how to make them happy will become a big problem. Okay. Now let's talk about Man U.
Quick one on Manchester United.
Miami team. I think yesterday we had it wrong. I mean, I wouldn't say we had it wrong, but everything in the game didn't go for us. Let me put it that way. It was Akropong criticizing Man U now. But you see, okay, at a point in time in the EPL, no matter whatever team you are, you lose. And the good thing I'm excited about and say, your teams Man U lost against Tottenham, a resurgent Tottenham, who is playing some very good, delightful football. They are playing good football. They lost against Arsenal. It's no news. But I'm also excited. So Man U won against a certain Wolves, even when we didn't play well. We won against Nottingham Forest when we didn't play well. Because the big teams in it, we are dang, it be special. But when you're able to pick most of your points from the small teams, then you can do something meaningful. Until I think, you lose against Arsenal. It was very painful. Looking at the circumstances, you lose, you have share goal, referee say offside. Like most of the decisions didn't go for us, but it's football. But I'm excited. I'm okay because losing against Arsenal and Tottenham is better off than losing against Nottingham Forest, no many other teams. So it's on the whole, it's okay. Into Man U, it's okay. West Ham, no many Newcastle. They will struggle. We said, baby, you need squad depth. Okay, but Champions League, we divided attention. Which one do you bet? Which one do you prioritize? Me a day, Manchester United baby brave. Until it baby ana squad there na be county. Ina wo qualify ba top 4 so obi to na nisi wo so. Wa hu nti obi a be hia wa. Last year na ni Newcastle so fi echisa no be fa obi a mboko. When people realize na or form, but to say no obi a the why focal point. Nti obi a hia omi a den omi ano, so it becomes difficult for them. So that is that. With Barcelona, I think last week thereabout, Lewandowski came to criticize
the referee.
No, not referee. He criticized the coach first. Xavi first.
Yeah.
On the playing system. I think the BM can say when Xavi meets a technically good coach, he struggles.
Yeah.
Only clear cut. He doesn't know who to play where. Yeah. He doesn't know the players to play.
Experiment.
I think
he's not getting the combination.
I think the weakness of Xavi, and he say he's trying to please all the players. But the truth of the matter is, would somebody like Kessie shouldn't have been let go, because system ananka me feeling say Kessie buy and all boys and call double pivot into no the Kessie buy, and Kessie with the abilities of a player like Busquets plus Kessie can go forward as well, so he would have been able to take the ball from defense, start the attack and maybe drive it upwards kakra. Not to say give the ball to somebody like Pedri. Obetimi akwanenim na you know yeah. If Sankaye can play as be as say one more I'm looking at the likes of Ferran Torres, Mone.
Well, Ferran so in the preseason so
and I say walk. Maybe players are where the preseason and season start.
You see, okay, the problem. One of the biggest problems is he wants to please the Spanish national team.
That is it.
He's manufacturing position for players who are not supposed to. Gavi.
Just 1 minute.
So
why would you play Gavi as in attacking role? Left
wing. How? And then you have a player like Sergio Roberto still in the team.
You understand? You keep them. There are squad players. There are players. They are squad players. They add up in terms of difficulty. And those players won't complain. Sergio Roberto at a point or two in this case because you see a prestigious to play Barcelona. So you keep them. Okay. But at the core of the team, and then Weibo, you don't even know what to do. You don't know what to play where. And now 4-4-2, or 4-2-3.
Even after 2 years, you still can't call a Barca first 11.
Yes, you don't have a core of the team. Which is which?
And now players need to be asking have account.
Until for now, Barcelona is becoming an ordinary team. The fear factor in the Barcelona team that used to exist, no. You understand?
Okay.
It becomes difficult for them. But I think let me give credit to Real Madrid coach Ancelotti. He's done very well. Yeah. Looking at the situation he finds himself, Benzema call on timely movement, and he's been able to twist the team around while changing the system. Yeah. All of a sudden from 4-3-3 to 4-1-3-2.
Yeah.
Okay, to suit the players, then that is coaching.
Okay,
and he's getting the best out of it. So I think on the whole they are doing very well.
All right, and see, I don't know. Yamra Vika the time, you know, but. You made him come out ofi. Black Stars call up on about I think say Nipa Ebre ever can was say why Andre are you in a squad and they are but squad number. But we will be 2 minutes on a squad. Nah.
I need 30 seconds.
Okay.
I just one question. Did they Ayu? Maybe sa Ubia. Did they Ayu has been without a club for I don't even know how long. So how did he get a call up to the Black Star? That's all I want to know.
And I didn't think you said the guy who a club our squad in him.
Player who any club football. Who ye player now who bobo na ujina announce here and team being signed anywhere.
I think Jeff, with the day issue, you know, you see in coaching, coaches give specific role to certain players, and certain players play specific role in certain teams. It might not necessarily be on the full playing, okay, but sometimes you would need a certain player to manage the dressing room for you, to deal with situations. You know, players have bigger egos. And
maybe what you describe Coach Chris is the only balls. So to me and drop it.
No, it's not. But he dropped him down. He about 2 matches or something. He didn't play. He was on the bench. So what are you talking about?
No,
being in the squad is not the problem. Because 25 players, how many players are going to play? That is not the problem. You understand? But if he falls part of the team of the playing, then we can question. But you see, we need managerial, attributes. Sometimes we keep these players there. Next time, England call up.
Just telling I drop
your friend Maguire. My own Maguire.
Champion player.
You understand? Me Felisa and Kaya, they never check your discover can only at but your friend, you get it. Your friend, sometimes they will tell you, say, certain players are kept in the team for other reasons, let alone playing alone. You understand? That is it. But you see, I'm excited certain players are being called. But it's not just a matter of just being called. You must have more.
Ransford, your boy, Konisdorf. Your friend, I mean to me, can. But what was just 2 minutes?
Yeah, mom, and you know, Fritty Mahatman, no to know. Your friend won't. Players, you won't, just I say your friend to just silence the people who know not to talk about. But you see, yeah, mom, your friend and a player, no, yeah. What is that?
Okay.
We should let them play.
Okay. Well, to us about my man announcing phone line. So now team phone 055166 7755 055166 7755 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 055166 7755 055166 7755 0270 19197. Wabit my from Black Stars call up no. Now if you walk on once I'm focused on the die you. Bobo ako afko nyina san aka ho. Suba
Edmond Ado nyame chado abedu Ghana. Sasuna Lawrence Atizigi Edmond Ado na first player abedu Ghana.
Ni need to no abedu ntem.
After honor Lawrence Atizigi. If you're not Kudus Mabeni, so far 3 players. Ebedu 3 players official.
But you people, mami mi kasemo. Na Jeff Kadida you asem. Tini anso Kadida you asem. Edmond Ado. Me penasem papa. Say Jeff see the day more team be until didn't to offer no. Edmond Ado won't be say ono club. It's all called Rest Belgrade, right? This season or more 1 minute. 1 minute to crown farmer. Rest Belgrade here. It's your friend. It's you know, or to say the day now if you na young go training there, cause the day training. Singobia or Ghana. It's more criticize ya. What you need leader in here Black Stars. Super, awesome.
Super, near train say the head coach be release squad no and that on Saturday after the show. And I know you near Tiani who say only pay release squad no. Now Super Share squad ne babontia. Looking at your previous 3 matches yabwa. Yen share Embro most about 2 goals. Dabi. Black Stars previous matches and share 3 goals. Yansha 1 hour a bad draw and draw 1-1. So it really tells you say Osha Black Stars team na a 1 as it stands now na your goal scoring department no your problem papa. So but na Osha the goalkeepers na me check your statistics kakra. Lawrence Atizigi and Nyamencha the official baby do no so far 6 games I consider a 6 goals or a clean sheet here. Abranton a dinde manaf no din or no actually 2 matches and Ryan or a year in the second game, which means after say a friend or no before who say okay, you have to answer the friend the umbra no better goal post man for man club or 90 minutes watch it 2 matches I consider 2 goals a keep 1 clean sheet. Abranton a din at the Richard Ofori. Since FIFA World Cup, super on that goal post me, or prior Okoman on that goal post me, and I be say, Obi on that goal post me, and now Jeff can't about the day. You said I don't about the day. But since Unipade squad never I met some was checking some statistics about some players, and it really tells you say yes. The Indians do a year in the game, also a good leader. Obit me actual players, and they say near Ben, say near Biano. And Kadania Mate one more and Uncle Droppy the die you dear, like fine.
In terms of leadership,
yes, Obi one more. Thomas Stepper say a bad leadership on said that done yet that good on a field of play. Oh, steady Thomas Stepper, your captain on a field of play, super very quiet. He don't know how to control the players, but the day you on the field of play, no. Hey Janase, and last game against Central African Republic, super, you're 9 points. Doctors me 8. The toss me say 7. 7 on or toss on no nyame adoma ye ni ombobo. O say your ba benya 10. Obinya 10. Na
8 no ko winia asama ba.
8 ko winia. Yes, omi no be qualify na will be out. So which means a crucial game at least no all say in penetration.
But watch my agency. O just card no ma. Leadership.
Did you pay? Yes.
It is more obvious. Anything make us say it goes beyond normal playing. No. Even if a player on share Jesse Krana in the dressing room.
Yes.
It needs that managerial skills. It goes beyond normal. Believe you me. Say the day you to maybe I will net him, you know, Bonanya qualify or you'll be surprised you'll be part of it. I'm even talking about World Cup. You'll be surprised. No. Until such a time, maybe I even will say, oh yeah, off crowd on to me crowd. I'm telling you. Because as it stands now, no, he's the senior most player. Nobody comes closer to him. And he has a pedigree. Player out to be first catch your plane ticket money, other players to calm down. Into what are you talking about? Over control. You can talk to players, they will listen to him. So the coach will ever tap into such player and then use him to control his team.
I remember Akropong Nana. Dressing room. Baby sir, no, was it World Cup qualifiers? And yes. 2 games be away. And he told his colleagues,
yes,
if you know and you don't believe, you
can qualify.
You do fear park.
Yes, it's true. Yes.
Kondo GDC be qualified.
Yes. And we did we qualify. Yeah, we qualified.
Yes. I think there was against one game bisa.
It is a coach. Now your player bisa where Juma is simple. Where Juma crass because he does all the work for you. What he has. You just manage that player to get the best out of the rest and you are good.
Okay. Starboy on Facebook also watching a show live and clear at Akropong Airport. Champion Kelvin Amponsah. Congratulations to Arsenal for their massive victory against Manchester United yesterday. Greetings to Yasma, Kwajo Space, Oyibo Boateng, and my lovely father. No joke. There's Papa now didn't know first about Okoman Sports, more fire. So long so they about I say more fire. Zuba, you wrap up in
Zuba, you are watching about two boys.
Player, yes, Blaster squad.
Because now me check about Felicity, medium goalkeeper. No, Zuba 2 matches. We consider 1 goal and make 1 clean sheet.
And even last season, the performance
was very superb. Yes. Me to me, I was saying, man, opportunity kakra. But me name's your friend Jonathan. So one Tiana, answer that but at least your boy a game against Central African Republic. We are Yamia Doma. The following Tuesday, you buy a ball Liberia. Our cross post them. So boys now, or monitor more show, at least to me one more opportunity 1, 2, 3. Bet me about super from a channel. Baby defenders, strikers. So far, Osha strikers are from when the ring gets in here from
goals almost
11 goals. Almost about 7 players.
Strikers 11 goals.
And that's appear near my. On 4 goals. On open ama. We now cost since then 3 1 1 1 2. So it really tells you say Charlie Suba. I don't know so I'm striker.
What's normally I am midfielders with Asamoah Janko midfielders.
That honestly speaking, that is the best we have. Yes. we just have to do with the best we have. Me, what excites me is that they are playing.
Yeah, sure.
When they are getting the playing time, that is what excites me because that is where the confidence will come from. And we should Jordan Ayew is actively playing.
Yes.
Or you're untouchable in it. Against Carabao Cup, they were struggling. Normally they slow quickly.
This is I think we'll make about
yes. And then he's doing very well. The most
Crystal Palace player of the match.
Yes.
2 assists in the APO and Abako in the Carabao Cup.
So when the most important is they are getting the playing time to build the confidence. The goals in there, you 1-1 crying the qualifier. Is enough.
Okay. All right. You're the best senior Konyambo. China Eba Niabetua. So now, second confirm. Jumeko so much saying, I may de Jumedi and a buy 1xbet. I say bet and will be DDR and 1xbet. Register now to make it deposit. The first deposit, yeah, my 100% bonus. Now feels so what to me at the Chabet and be account. Super Tia. Judges near the queen. Sansona Verna water and Sua Obenom Nama our Demani Peduana Jan and so ya part 2 ye bibia is so here for Verna water. That feels so for 7 was sent up near my kama Tontina. Yes, T74 immune booster and any Yanumbia. Young Dean Peduano Yan one day na court na bra. Ninano a Tontina 74. Ukraine. And the Barman counts on the 1st of October. Ojra that Sunday, I was true fabric in Chawope, a fufu festival, Okoman radio. Yes, you about Fasanka Fifi, Nabra, Nabedi Fufu. We free fufu party on Okoman radio. Said, but a 1st of October, Shannon Sojara consider fufu party on Okoman radio. Yet, Baba. Nianse also Asanka. Na obechi akike du kakra na fa wo de fa akike du no bra na nya yenchubi na yen fa fufu no na yese yen do fufu da fufu e fa ugapi ni ba ni fufu very fufu awa ye chu fabric in jama pa kuma radio e dey sa fufu party no enso no ba ye be sinya mbo chi na be ba na ya be to executive producer Era Kwekubu Atinsanso na and you know ginon into Nana Kofi Okoro Ajiman Kwame Sedega otenen ka Sanso na the writer commentator Jeff Akuffo Boateng and so otenen kana no Damia the boy and I feel so kwa MCR Ziggy and I feel so no DJ Weather Don Zitamechi and I feel my able producer and so no AK Brown Medin and the Kelvin Amponsah Addi ufremi Eka beje also the boss player nyambwa achina ebeba na feel so ne akebia atoamso muchum
Face covered like a Taliban, just a bad man moving back.